Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's good to have you guys back here. I have missed you all. If you're stopping by for my channel for the first time, thank you so much. And if you're returning like an OG, thank you so much as well. So guys, let us get into today's video. So before I get into what we're going to do in today's video, during the lockdown, I should have done this video during the lockdown. During the lockdown, I got some concealers, the one we're going to be reviewing today, and some other ones. So I'm going to be reviewing all of them. Now this is no PR package or paid sponsorship or that kind of thing. I'm just doing this on my own. Now this is because these products are good. I've tried them out. So guys, I'm going to be reviewing the Adventure Blend Pro Concealer. Now I got these concealers during the lockdown and I got them in 4 shades. Okay, this is what it looks like. I got them in 4 shades, so I got it in these shades right here. I just want to like create little swatches for you guys to see what it looks like, and it dries really fast, so it's something that you have to like work with real quick. The darkest shade comes in 10, which is coffee. I don't know if you guys can see it. The darkest shade comes in coffee, which is 10. Then this shade is 8, and this is rosette. This is rosette. Okay, this is my actual shade. This is my actual shade. Then I have color 6, which is rich toast. I sometimes mix 8 and 6 together just to get like my shade. Do you get? Okay. So, and the lightest shade that I have is cinnamon, and that is color 5. That's color 5. So I have 5, 6, 8 and 10. Okay guys, so I'm going to start from the lowest. So this is color 5. This is color 5, which is cinnamon, and this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. It's really light, also light sharp, or is light. It's very light. It's light for me, for my shade. It's light. Then this is color 6, which is rich toast. This is color 6, which is rich toast. This is color 6 right here. And next up is color 8, which is rosette. Color 8 is rosette, which is this. You guys can see. And the darkest shade of them all, which is coffee, and that's color 10. See, very black. So this is 6, sorry, pardon me, this is 5, 6, 8 and 10. So I'm going to be applying some milk of magnesia to my face, and I'm going to be using my foundation brush to do that. So next up is I'm going to be using 6 and 8. I told you guys 6 is actually my color, but sometimes I use it with 8 and I just mix it and all of that. So in today's video we're going to be using it as a foundation. I mean, you can use it as your what do I want to say? You can use it to conceal your brows, contour and highlights. Like I said, that was how I got the light shade and the darkest shade. So you can just do all of that. And with this foundation, you need like very little. Very little goes a long way. Very little goes a long way. So I'm mixing it with 6. I applied 8 first. So I'm mixing it with 6. So I'm mixing it with 6. Alright guys, so let us blend. Now I'm going to be taking my damp beauty blender and I'm just going to be blending my concealer. Guys, you can see what I'm saying. It is really matte, guys, and it goes a long way. You don't need so much, and if you are not fast, it's going to give you this finish that is almost giving me. So I have to like work really fast with it. It matifies like really quick. Guys, see. Can you guys see? Can you see? Compared to here, see? I'm not really blended here well. But can you guys already see the difference? I mean, I can see the difference already. Can you guys see here compared to here? You guys can see what I'm saying. Like, the finish is mad. I'm not even joking. The finish is actually mad, and you don't need so much. You actually do not need so much. Like, as you guys can see, I'm using just what I have on my beauty blender for my forehead, and just the very tiny bits that I put on my forehead, and I'm just blending out. Okay guys, can you see? Man, this is absolutely stunning. It looks like I used foundation. Wait, let me come closer so that you guys can see. Like, do you guys see what I'm seeing? Like, see this concealer. This concealer. See, go and buy your own. Like I said, I'm going to link my makeup plug. I'm going to link it down below. Now I know that she has a store in Ibadan, but I think she was saying something about having a store in Lagos, but I don't know if she has actually worked on that yet. But irrespective, just message her and get this concealer. Now when I got this concealer, it was 500. It was 500. I'm going to put the equivalent of dollars on the screen. It was 500 naira, but now I think it's about 800, 700. Okay guys, let me just go with my powder. I'm going with my powder. Like I said, you're not doing anything serious today, so I'm going with my powder. Hey god, it's just concealer that I use. See, my face is pam. Hey, you guys, can you see? So I'm just setting with my powder. Oh yeah, and I'm using my MAC Studio Fix powder. Man, I don't know, I think it's NW45, but the tag on that has removed. But it's NW45. That's my color. And guys, here is what we have. So if you guys enjoyed this product review, please let me know down in the comment section. Also, if you want me to do more reviews about products, of course I'm still going to do my mini concealer. So then if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also let me know down in the comment section if you would love me to review any products that you would like. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.